What are you guys doing?
Going on a ride. Which Dad does.
Should we go for a ride?
Yeah.
Chad.
Yeah. Okay, let's load up.
Daddy, don't go that high.
You don't want me to go that high?
No.
Ooh,
Hey.
it's bouncing around a little bit. Okay, here we go. Hang on. I gotta use 2 hands here. We'll do it this way. Okay, speed it up. You tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop.
Stop, stop. Stop, stop, Dad.
Stop right there. What do you think? How high up are we?
I don't know.
Turn around and look at me. Jenny, you go on the other side.
Is this as high as it can go?
Oh no, we'll go twice as high. 3 times as high. This is bird shot view. Bird's eye view.
There's the bird. There's the branch. Daddy, go down! Daddy, go down!
Okay. All right. Getting a little nervous?
Higher. Don't go higher, Daddy.
Okay, should we go back down?
Yeah. I'll go back down. Let's go. That's fun.
Oh, Jet, yeah, that might come to ya. I was thinking, that might, yeah. It's heavy. Good cut. I can tell. What do you think, guys? And tell him this is what he's been, this is all he's missing. Guardian Casey, this is what happens when you declare. There you go. In case it falls out, I'll just hang on to the tree. That's right. Down from here, if I had to? Yeah, I think you could. More. That's it, baby, right there. That's everything. It's as tall as she gets. Oh, Chad, hit that one to your right. Reach over and get that one. Ethan! Hi! I wanted to film you from up here. You have the flip up there, Kale? Yeah. Did you ever have it up here? No. Oh yeah, I took the kids up a little bit, but not very far. Nice. It's nice to have the tree next to you so I can actually hold on to it. Take your cell phone and hold it up like that. Oh, yeah. Here, do I dare keep it recording and just drop it to you? Yeah. Can you catch it? This might be YouTube worthy. Ready? Yeah, I think so. Oh, it won't let me hit. I was trying to hit 5 of these buttons at once. Yeah, you can't.